Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series. And I stumbled across this recipe for Johnny cake. Now, I had read about Johnny cake in like revolutionary times, but I had never known how exactly it was made. So I read this recipe, and this recipe is particularly Caribbean, and it's really not at all difficult. So I wanted to share it with you. So let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need 3 cups or 375 grams of flour, 2 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2.5 tablespoons butter, 1 cup or 225 milliliters of water. Add the flour to a large mixing bowl. Add salt, baking powder, and sugar. Mix to combine. Add the butter and cut it into the dry ingredients. I'm using my hands for this, but you can also use a pastry cutter or 2 knives. Stir in the water. Knead for a minute or 2. This will just help the dough stick together better. Split the dough into pieces and press them down, sticking them with a fork 3 or 4 times. You should get about a dozen out of this recipe. Then, in a pan with about an inch of oil in it, heat on medium heat. Fry the dough on both sides until crispy brown. This is how my Johnny cake turned out. However, as you can see, the dough didn't cook all the way through. I think I had my oil turned up too hot, so no higher than medium heat. However, if this happens to you, you can put the cakes in the oven and bake at 350 degrees or 180 Celsius for about 5 to 10 minutes or until they're baked all the way through. This will cause the cakes to rise a bit, whatever hasn't already been cooked. Now that they are actually done, these cakes turned out really simple but very flavorful. They have a slightly sweet note with the sugar and are actually slightly fluffy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.